Let's talk about a couple of anti-gun attorneys that might be seeing the inside of a jail cell. What's up, Wolverines? My name is John Crump, and this is John Crump News, where we discuss 2A every day. I'm an investigative journalist, and I keep an eye on the gun space. Please do me a huge favor, like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the algorithm, and it helps amplify my voice. Today, we're going to be talking about a few lawyers that are in a little bit of hot water. Right after the Uvalde tragedy, a bunch of lawyers got together and they went to the victims' families and said, hey, we want to sue on your behalf. So they filed suit against Daniel Defense for a lot of money. And guess what happened then? They never served Daniel Defense with any type of papers. They never attempted to serve Daniel Defense with any type of papers. Basically, they just filed suit and never served anything. So the case has just been sitting there. Now, that's a big no-no in the legal department, because if you sue someone, you have to at least make an attempt to serve them. And this law firm, Bonner & Bonner, did not do that. And the judge in the case is really pissed off. So the judge issued a sanctions hearing on July 18th. Sanctions is when a lawyer gets into trouble. It's like a black mark on your record. It really does not look good, but it doesn't raise to the level of you losing your law license or anything like that, being removed from the bar, for example. You would think that they would show up to argue why they shouldn't be sanctioned for not serving Daniel Defense, but you would be wrong. These lawyers did not show up for the sanctions hearing, and that really pisses off a judge. So on August 1st, there is another hearing, but this one is not only for sanctions, but also for contempt. On the same day, they filed a motion saying, we couldn't be there, please do not find us in contempt. They stated that they had a jury trial and they couldn't leave, but they can be available in 1 week. So we'll see what the judge does with that information. If they do face a contempt charge, that means they could go to jail. Contempt is not a small little thing. Contempt is a big freaking deal, especially if you're a lawyer. You never ever want to be found guilty of contempt if you are a lawyer. So we'll have to see what the judge does with this. We'll have to see what happens on August 1st. But a lot of people think that these lawyers might have just filed suit just for the publicity for their law firm. I'm not saying that. I have no information to say that's the reason why they did that. But some people actually do think that. Other people think that they just filed suit just to harass lawful gun manufacturers, but who knows why they did it. It could be that they saw they got a Trump-appointed judge and decided, F that, the juice isn't worth the squeeze. Who knows the reasoning for not serving Daniel Defense, but all I know is that they are in a little bit of hot water with the judge, and that is something that I never want to be in the position of. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be on vacation next week. And yes, I'm trying again. I know. I always try to take a vacation and news always breaks. The curse of change. But I'm going to try my darndest not to do any work. I'll be on a ship, so I'm not sure how good the internet connection is going to be. They do have Starlink, and that's supposed to be pretty good. And they do say that you can do video calls and stuff like that. But I'm not really sure how long it would take to upload a video. And I'm not sure how well a live stream will actually go. I do have a video coming out next week about Mikhail Kalashnikov. It should be very interesting. It's going to be a highly edited video. I actually got an editor to do this for me. So we'll see how that turns out. Let me know if you guys like that. But until I see you again in a week or so, stay ever vigilant, stay ever free, keeping the fight. I am out of here, Wolverines, mother.